The universe began as something which cannot be described. In the Bible, it is spoken of as void, which, in time, took on the characteristics of waters. This mysterious early universe in time expanded and grew into the seemingly never-ending heavens around us. In this early and then more compact universe, celestial bodies were in closer association than at present. Let us give rein to our imaginations. This is a conceptualized formative double star with a large body of matter centrally located between the embryonic stars. Like most bodies in the universe, it is spinning. Associated with these three formative bodies are rapidly spinning disks of planet-forming materials. They are like space floods, which turned upon themselves when they were captured by the formative stars. These space floods are spinning so fast that they are gyroscopically stable units, like a spinning top. The triple star system itself would have been spinning from the outset. For simplicity of viewing, we temporarily delete all disks except the central disk. Over time, the inner feed of materials between the two stars ceases. The two formative stars become more separated due to dissipation of tidal force. The disk and pivot around which it is rapidly spinning is held in place by counterbalancing gravitational forces. This is a simplistic model. We need not assume the two stars were of equal size, or that they were the only bodies involved in this process. Imagine the process continues until the twins are drawn apart. The three bodies that move away together form the Centauri triple star system: Alpha Centauri, Beta Centauri, and Proxima Centauri. Alpha Centauri is the closest star to our Sun and has the physical characteristics of a twin of our Sun. At some stage in this process, the stars ignite in nuclear fusion. The events associated with the ignition of stars are not fully known. It is thought that igniting stars have potential for wild, erratic behavior. Bursts of intense radiation conceivably could flash melt mineral grains at considerable distances. Many meteorites landing on Earth contain a high proportion of flash-melted grains, which are called chondrules. We thus have a possible explanation of this flash melting. An ignited star immediately begins to clear the space around itself through two processes. Radiation drives small particles away from the star, and also acts like rain to slow larger orbiting objects down so that they fall towards larger objects. Returning to our now lone star, which we call our Sun, we assume it retained a disk of space materials, which in time meshed with other spinning disks of planet-forming material. Momentous events such as these doubtless resulted in the breakup and propulsion of various bodies. This provides a potential source for comets and asteroids, and many of the moons, which are mysteriously attached to most of our planets. The meshing together of the solar system as a composite of spinning disk-like components, wheels within wheels, may explain some of its perplexing features, such as the 7-degree tilt of the Sun to the plane of the system, the slow rotation of the Sun compared to the system, the presence of light and volatile elements within the inner planets, when their formation under the influence of an ignited Sun should have driven those elements away. The marked differences between various components. The existence of a variety of captured moons and wandering bodies, such as Pluto-like objects. The selective coating of two of the ice giants, Saturn and Jupiter, with gas, converting these two planets into gas giants. The fact that many of the planets are tilted, either as a result of direct impact or the gravitation tug of a near miss. The existence of the asteroid belt, which might have been the product of broken mini-planets, and the existence of our own unique moon.